The United States has been hit hard by coronavirus with more than 60,000 deaths. But before it came to America, the disease ravaged Europe. Our own Tim McGonigal spoke with one Montana man living just outside Madrid who's been hunkered down for weeks.
Spain is a very loud place normally.
Matt Nelson and his family have lived in Spain for nearly 7 years. Matt is a missionary with International Media Ministries. He's still adjusting to how much things have changed in such a short time due to coronavirus.
People are very physically close. When you greet someone, you give them 2 kisses. Obviously, all of that's gone right now, and everyone's basically confined to their homes for the last 46 days or so.
Last week, the country began lifting restrictions, starting with letting kids spend an hour outdoors each day.
We really like being outside. Before this, we spent a lot of time outside, riding our bikes, hiking around the trails that are around our town. And so this has been a difficult adjustment to be inside all the time.
The country has had more than 200,000 confirmed cases, resulting in almost 25,000 deaths, one of the highest mortality rates per capita in the world.
So most people are taking it very seriously, staying home.
Matt's wife, Rachel, who celebrated her 40th birthday in quarantine, is a registered nurse. Ironically, her visa won't allow her to work in that field in Spain. One family member is allowed to get groceries and prescriptions and go to the bank. Like many overseas, they've been keeping tabs on what's happening back in the United States.
Spaniards really do pay attention to American politics, and they all seem to have an opinion. Those are times I find it really handy to pretend I don't speak Spanish.
Through technology, they've been able to keep in touch with family members in Great Falls, Choteau, and Cascade.
When we see how serious this virus has been, and it hit here before it really got serious in the States, I maybe surprised my family a little bit, freaked them out a little bit to say, keep the grandkids away from the grandparents, all that kind of thing.
In Great Falls, Tim McGonigal, MTN News.
And Matt says having a healthy routine has helped him and his family through the pandemic.